Hey guys, I'm Jackson, and this is my 2015 bike check. First I have some ODI bar ends, and then some Colt grips. They're comfortable. I like riding them. My bars are some Federal Churchill bars, or Stevie Churchill signature bars, and then my forks are Fit forks. Yeah, they're Fit forks. And then I have a Shadow Conspiracy peg. It's a really good peg. It rides really smooth, and I really like them. I have it on the back too. I have a Fit 18 frame. It's an 18-inch. I got it because I can't ride 20 inch as well as an 18, because an 18 is smaller. But after the frame, I have some, I think they're Colt cranks. They're Colt cranks, and then with some Odyssey pedals. Odyssey pedals, plastic, and next I have a Primo oil spilled sprocket, and then I have an Odyssey Bluebird chain with gold, and I really like it. It hasn't snapped yet. I have a Colt seat. I forgot. Or it's a Colt pivotal seat, and that's what it looks like. This Colt seat. What it looks like. And I forgot to mention my tires. I have some. I think Odyssey Odyssey rims with some Fit tires. And yeah, so that's my 2015 bike check. And here's what it looks like. So yeah, that's my bike check. Hope you guys liked it.